Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today is the very last day of 31 days of Halloween. I have my Grit and Glory Halloween shirt on, and I am presenting to you my sun goddess look, which is a mashup of a look that Pinupdollashleymarie just did. She was a moon goddess, and one that Kimberly Margarita did a little while ago. I'm not exactly sure. She's also known as ColourCreep, if you guys don't know. She did a kind of sun goddess sort of look. So that is what I combined today to make this look. So if you guys want to see how I created this, then just keep watching. Before we get into the tutorial, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has watched all of my videos from 31 days, like all the way through October, and has dealt with my crazy uploading schedule and kind of hung out or subscribed during this time. This is my favorite time of year, and I feel like my channel always gets better and better during this time just because I get to practice makeup a lot more, and I definitely think this is one of the best glam looks I've done. And you know, I got my feet a little bit more wet with the body painting and SFX this year, and I feel like I just want to keep practicing, so there's going to be a lot more creative looks on my channel as a whole. That's something I've been talking about getting into doing more and more. I have all these supplies, why not use them? But I just wanted to thank you guys for the continued growth of my channel, and with that being said, there will be a giveaway coming up really soon, so make sure you subscribe and stick around for that. But without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So I'm going to start with the eyes. Since we are using some glitter, I want to make sure that we have a good sticky base, and also we can cover up any sort of mistakes with our foundation and concealer and stuff. So I'm just going to start by putting my eye base on. So we're going to start with the crease color, which is Whipped Mocha from NYX, and I'm just going to use an angled brush to put this in the crease. It's just going to be our soft transition color, so everything is going to be yellows and kind of like tan, browns, and bronze, just because I feel like you can't think of the sun without thinking about like being tan. So we're going to incorporate some tan colors. Highlight, since we are a goddess, we can be a little more dramatic. I'm going to take Sweet Tooth, which is a shimmery bronze shade, and we're going to highlight the brow with this. Then on the lid, I'm going to lay down some of this NYX pigment. This is in Hot Yellow, and it is just very bright yellow. So we're going to pack this all over the lid. So now I'm going to take a bit of the Too Faced glitter glue, and we're going to lay this on the lids. And the glitter I'm going to be using is this gold glitter called Pirouette, and it's a very like true kind of old gold color. It's very light and very small milled. So I threw on my foundation and my eyebrows. Now we're going to do some liner. I'm just going to put this on the bottom lash line and then do a black liquid liner on the top lash line. For mascara, I'm going to use the Rocket Volume Mascara. So now to contour the face, I'm going to start with my darkest color here, which is called Calavera, and this is from Concrete Minerals. It's just a loose pigment, but it's kind of a dark yellow. So we're going to pick some up and contour with this. And we're going to like kind of do this the whole way around the face to frame everything in. So I'm just using like a real loose brush and connecting the contour the whole way around. So it's gonna go from cheekbone all the way up and over and around your cheekbone. I'm going to take it down around my chin and down my neck as well. Now I'm going to go in with this bronze loose pigment. This is much more shiny, but I'm going to take the same brush and kind of go over the same general areas, but also the highlighted areas of my face rather than the contour. So this is going to be more like a blush, I would say. I'm going to take the yellow pigment again. I'm just going to start on the neck by bringing it down a bit more so it kind of just looks like it's fading into sunshine and I don't look like I have a really bad tan. So now taking some white paint, I'm going to draw a sun on my forehead, much like Pinupdollashleymarie did a moon. To add a little something to the sun, I'm going to take these last few gems that I have here from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to create like a little cluster of them, I think in the center. Alright, so we have kind of our like infinity stone up here. I'm going to use the Jeffree Star Velour liquid lipstick in Baby Daddy for my lip color. To finish off the lips, I'm going to use this lip gloss from Bath & Body Works, and this is in Sparkling Soda. It's just like a nude kind of sparkly gloss, but I think it will add to the goddess effect. And plus it's really iridescent. Alright guys, so this is the very last look of 31 Days of Halloween. This is my Sun Goddess look inspired by Kimberly Margarita and Pinupdollashleymarie. I have to give credit where it is due. Between the two of them, I kind of combined their ideas and made this look. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe, and also go show them love on their channels and their Instagrams. They're both amazing artists. Totally different in what they do, but I love them both. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me this whole month. If you've seen all 31 days of my looks, leave me a little like monster emoji down below if your phone has one, and if not, just let me know you watched them all. And I will see you guys in the next one when I come back with whatever I decide I'm gonna do. So I will see you in the next one. Bye.